Step 1. Start your day with 5 minutes of mindfulness. Meditate, journal, or just breathe deeply to center your mind. Step 2. Tackle your most important task first, even if it is just for 30 minutes. This builds momentum and focus. Step 3. Move your body, whether it's a quick walk or light stretching. It boosts your energy and mood. Step 4. Learn something new, even if it is just reading for 15 minutes. Consistent learning helps growth. Step 5. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to hydrate your body and kickstart your metabolism. Step 6. Set clear goals for the day. Write them down and keep them visible to stay on track. Step 7. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the good things in your life, which boosts positivity. Step 8. Limit distractions. Focus on one task at a time for better productivity and mental clarity. Step 9. Take breaks. Short intervals throughout the day help maintain energy and prevent burnout. And lastly, step 10. Reflect in the evening. Write down what went well and what you can improve for the continuous growth.